never fall in love again until I found her. I said I would never fall unless it's you I fall into. I was lost within the darkness, but then I found her. I found you.
Georgia, wrap me up in all you hurt you. In my arms, will let me hold you. I'll never let you go again like I did or used to say. I would never fall in love again until I found her. I said I would never fall unless it's you I fall into.
First time namin kasi magkita, walang kilig akong naramdaman. So, alam ko na siya yun. Safe ako pag kasama ko siya, gano'n. Yun yung na-feel ko. Kaya, inakilala niya kaagad ako sa parents niya.
Georgia pulled me in.
Siguro yung pinakamasayang moment namin so far is nung nalaman namin na mabe-bless kami ng baby. And with that, sobrang saya ko as a future father kasi alam ko na maaalagaan ng mga pangasawa ko yung magiging anak namin.
I would never fall in love again until I found her. I said I would never fall unless it's you I fall into. I was lost within the darkness, but then I found her. I found you.
And wish ko sa marriage namin, syempre maging strong, diba, tumagal ng maraming taon, gano'n. And kung ano man yung pagsubok na pagdadaanan namin as a married couple, malagpasan namin yun. Lagi naman siyang umiintindi sa akin.
I would never fall in love again until I found her.
Joss and Chara, the importance of communication between the two of you. Always find time to communicate with each other. Laging pag-usapan ang kasiyahan, ang kalungkutan, o di kaya problema. Huwag sa text lang.
Ayun, si Han, kakilala kami niyan sa Facebook dating app noong February this year lang, 2023. Swipe ako sa kanya, swipe back siya, then nag-match kami.
And always pray together. Pray together. Para sa ganon, lagi natin sinasabi, sa pagsasama ninyo kasama ang Panginoon.
There's something closer to midnight that brings me closer to home. There's something
Chara, do you take trust to your present a lawful husband according to the right of our Holy Mother the Church?
Yes, I do.
left to know. There's nothing here left to break, but the feeling this life could go.
Ngayon, February, November na ngayon. Grabe, ang bilis. Yun na talaga yung tadhana for us. Hindi pa kami magkakilala pero I think kami na talaga siguro para sa isa't isa.
I know this could be.
Thus, do you take Chara here present for your lawful wife according to the right of our Holy Mother the Church? Yes, I do.
Let me.
Thank you dahil lagi ka nang nag-iintindi sa akin. Alam mo yung alam kung paano i-handle yung toyo ko. Kahit alam kung isa na nabibisit ka na din, tinitiis mo.
Let me die in those eyes.
Han, this is the day. Pinaghirapan natin to. Sana ma-enjoy natin yung araw na to. We are Mr. and Mrs. San Juan na. I love you. Sobra.
Be love.
I'll be a better wife sa'yo. Tsaka magiging mabuti akong ina sa mga anak natin. Ayan. I love you. See you later.